Come on, let's turn up on me, bro.
Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep?
Let's kick it. Let's dance it. Let's get it. Let's dance it. Let's get it. Let's dance it. Let's dance it.
Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquette on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So today I am bringing you guys another fun, cute, stylish wig that I received from Zury Hollywood. So before we get into the details of this hair, be sure to subscribe down below by pressing the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So honestly, I didn't really know if I was gonna like this like I like this. Like, I literally love the heck out of this, and this is a synthetic unit. And I just think, honestly, I slayed. Like, period. I think I did a really good job. So back to the details and specs of this hair. As I said, this hair is from Zury Hollywood, aka Sister Wig. This is gonna be their Royal Swiss Lace, which is also like a flawless pre-tweeze hairline. So first things first, this is a new addition to their flawless collection. The style is called Mara, and this wig also comes with a pre-tweeze hairline for the naturally blended edges effect, and it looks really natural. The length of this hair is 12 inches and it has a Y-shaped part. Well, yeah, actually it is a Y-shaped part. Okay, so it has a Y-shaped part, which is you're going to be having lace right here on the side, and you're also going to have lace right here where the part is. And also two new colors is the color that I have on, which is a mauve color. I hope I'm saying that right. And then they have a fancy color, which is like a yellow orange, and then of course you have all your natural colors. So this is also what the cardstock looks like, and it also has the care instructions right here on the back. Make sure y'all let me know down below what y'all think about this wig. Like, I think I slayed this wig. So I also have a video of me styling this wig so you guys can see how I do my synthetic units and how I make them look realistic. So if you guys would like to see that, be sure to keep on watching. Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said in the beginning, be sure to let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. I really do like this wig. This is something that I would actually wear out, believe it or not. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, I don't know what you're doing honestly, but whatever, go subscribe now and tap the bell so you be notified when I post a new video. That's really gonna be all for this video, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.
I know I gotta see you again.